wobble there. Just goes to show how fast the rest of her run was.
World champion from 2021 in Bratislava, Elena Lilik. German team second in the C1 and in the K1. Silver medalist in Paris in this event.
Elena's been paddling since she was 6 years old. She credits some of her early progression and love of the sport to her father and coach at home, Mira Faber, from her early days.
She's the 12th last paddler in the order. We'll start to see some qualifiers. Lilik's got some work to do at 7.3 seconds down. And at the moment would have her down in 9th spot. Zelenska ahead of Satilla and Doria. They're within a second of each other, so they're in a reasonable position. Ones behind have to be tight on the fastest times to dislodge all of them. Bit of a gap to Manazova, 2.81 seconds. But still a lot to play out here in terms of the 12 paddlers to make it through. Lilik has to work hard, get to the last upstream. But at 8 seconds down, she's going to require some fortune to find a spot in the top 12, 7th.